Good day. Welcome to series of Chemistry Just Got Easier with the our tutors. In this class, we are going to be solving some questions on molar volume of gases. We have a question on the board. What is the volume in cm³ of 2.2 gram of carbon 4 oxide at standard temperature and pressure? We are given carbon to be 12, oxygen to be 16. Solution. Now, what is the volume in cm³ of 2.2 gram? We are given the mass of CO2 to be 2.2 gram. And we know that to find the volume in cm³, we have to make use of the relationship, which is molar volume is equals to volume in cm³ divided by number of moles, N. Remember, we learned this in the previous class. A number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass. So we are going to be calculating the mole of carbon 4 oxide. So we have the mass, we need the molar mass. So N is equals to mass, which is 2.2 gram given in the question, divided by, now molar mass. Carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 16. We have 2 atoms of oxygen, that is 16 times 2. So you have 16 times 2. This becomes 2.2 gram divided by 12 plus 16 times 2 is 32. So you have N is equals to 2.2 gram divided by 44. When you input this value into the calculator, you have 0.05 mole. So we have calculated the mole as 0.05 mole. Now, let's try to actually find the volume. But remember that when we learned about molar volume of gas, we said the volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at standard temperature and pressure is 22.4 dm³ or 22,400 cm³. So, at STP, now when they send 1 mole of a gas, it can be carbon 4 oxide, it can be oxygen, it can be any gas. As long as the gas is at STP, it will occupy 22.4 dm³ or converted to cm³ multiplied by 1,000, 22,400 cm³. So at STP, 1 mole of CO2 occupies 22,400 cm³. Then is 0.05 mole of CO2 we occupy x cm³. Now, to find your value of x cross multiply, that is x times 1 is equals to 22,400 cm³ times 0.05 mole. So x cm³ will be equals to 1,120 cm³. So the volume occupied by 0.05 mole of carbon 4 oxide at standard temperature and pressure is 1,120 cm³. Thank you for listening. Book the our tutors for personalized online chemistry, mathematics, and biology classes at an affordable price. Follow the our tutors for daily chemistry and mathematics content. Follow, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.